name is Jackson Hodges, and I am the Public Information Officer and Main Street Director for the City of Anniston, and you caught me in the middle of a little exploration. You see, I am a Renaissance man, they say. I like to explore my world, and the best place to do that is the Anniston Museums and Gardens. That's right, located just off Museum Drive, a scenic route here in the heart of Anniston. We have world-class facilities, ladies and gentlemen. One of which, the Anniston Museums and Gardens, and well, the Anniston Museum of Natural History. That's one of which, the first one. The second is the Berman Museum, and then the third, which we're going to talk a little bit. In fact, I'm going to bring an expert here to really tell you about some things that the Longleaf Botanical Gardens has going on. That's the third part of this amazing trifecta that we call the Anniston Museums and Gardens. But they have a big event coming up. And it has to do with some of the stuff you see behind me, these plants. Not necessarily this plant, but some plants that you could be getting your hands on in April if you pay attention to the news. This expert has to say, let me rope them on down here. Come on, Sarah. There we go. Sarah Burt, ladies and gentlemen, the Assistant Director. Whoo, almost fell off. There we go. Of the Anniston Museums and Gardens. Sarah, so you were right in the sun. But I'm gonna squint a little bit. That's okay. So we have a big plant sale coming up out here. Yes. Tell the good people about that plant sale.
All right, guys. So yes, if you are a follower of the Longleaf Botanical Gardens or anything Anniston Museums and Gardens, then you've probably already heard. But we have our annual spring plant sale. So it's the big one. It's not a standard third Thursday plant sale. It is the big plant sale. It is April 22nd and April 23rd. That is the fourth Friday and fourth Saturday of April. On the Friday, the 22nd, it's going to be from 8 until 5, and then on Saturday from 8 until 12. And so you want to come out here. We're going to be at the greenhouses or the nursery area, which means when you drive up Museum Drive, you'll pass Anniston Museum of Natural History, you'll pass the Berman Museum, and you'll see a driveway going up a slight hill, and you'll see a red gate up there. That is our greenhouse area. We're going to have a crazy assortment of plants for sale. And the prices range. So we have trees, we have shrubs, we have house plants, we have succulents. Our greenhouse manager, Cheryl, she is already putting together pots, so you can buy stuff that's already planted and beautiful. She has a ridiculous talent for all things green, and she has a really good creative mindset to pull it together too. So that's what I always call it.
We're talking about some perennials and annuals? Both? Wow, look at that.
Assortment. I mean, her and Hayes, they pull it together.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. And you know, the last frost of the year is supposed to be April 4th, so the time to plant plants is now. That's the best date, the 22nd and the 23rd.
Yeah, just wait till the plant sale. Dig your hole, and then go to the plant sale to find what you want to visit.
Exactly.
That's one way to do it.
These aren't just plants you can get anywhere, guys.
Exactly.
These are ones that are hand-grown with that secret ingredient of love from the staff of the Anniston Museums and Gardens. It's there. So what times did you say on the 22nd and 23rd?
Yes, so the 22nd is the Friday, and that's from 8 to 5, and then the Saturday is 8 to 12. So it's before the museums open, so 8 to 5, 8 to 12. Come on up to the greenhouses. We'll have our Urban Regional Extension Agent, Hayes Jackson, here. He will be happy to answer any questions that you have. If you're looking at a certain type of landscaping and you don't know what to put there, he's your man, okay? He can tell you, if you tell him what area you live in, within the county even, he can help you out with what's going to grow best, or tell you if you need shade or sun or any of that other things that I can't tell you, he can, and he will be there. So
absolutely.
It'll be a really good event.
You'll have multiple experts on site, guys. There's simply no reason. Again, that's the 22nd and the 23rd of April, and just 5 days after the 23rd is a very big day here in the city of Anniston. That'll be April 28th. That's my birthday. I'm joking. But if you feel like getting me a present, please go ahead. I'm not gonna stop you. But the real gift is just serving our community, and that's what we have here at the Anniston Museums and Gardens. A group of servants working very hard for great programming. I heard the rattlesnake dissections went very well the other day, didn't they?
Yes. We had Snakes on Spring Break day camp, and it was hilarious. They had rattlesnakes, legit rattlesnakes, and they dissected them in small groups, and They were able to look at the actual anatomy of it. They got to look at the fangs. I mean, it was super educational. These kids got to actually handle some of our ambassador snakes and learn how to properly handle snakes, how to identify some of our venomous snakes that live here
That's
in
super
Alabama.
helpful stuff.
I mean, they had a ball with us. Like, it was so much fun. And I know that it sold out too, which was wonderful. And so it definitely told us, hey, you guys love this idea and your kids love it. And so we do have one planned for in the future as well.
Awesome.
But keep an eye on all of our pages, like on our Facebook page and on our website, exploreamag.org, because summer's coming. We just had spring break, but summer's coming. And guys, we have so much programming. We look for camps, look for day activities, look for plant sales, look for things for the family, for adults. I mean, it's all over the board. So we definitely have something for everyone here.
Absolutely, guys. It is just terrific. So again, mark your calendars. I know we have a lot of master gardeners out there,
Everything going on,
all
yes.
kinds of stuff. So definitely get your hands on these plants before they're gone.
Yes.
That'll be April 22nd and then April 23rd. That said, there is another event coming up here just right around the corner in April.
Yeah,
April 9th. It's called, I don't know if you've heard of it, it's the Noble Street Festival.
Wait, what was that?
The Noble Street Festival and Sunny King Criterium. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. The sole biggest event in Calhoun County. I'll say it. I'll say it.
It's awesome.
It's going to be April 9th starting at 11 a.m. We'll go to 7 p.m. This is the 20th anniversary.
That's a big deal.
It's a very
That's
big
a
deal.
big deal,
It's
guys.
huge deal, guys. Huge. Okay, you really want to come see this. We have activities out the wazoo for this year's festival. We have over 65 vendors. That is a new record. We're going to have to expand the festival footprint next year because of the success over the last couple years. We are going to have Combat Park and all their military vehicles and equipment.
excited.
Exactly,
Yeah, I
right?
wanna
You can
see those.
get up on the tank and
Yeah.
ride around and all this stuff, and then we're gonna have a free kids zone, which is one of the best parts of the festival. That's gonna have all kinds of rides and stuff, and again, it's free. So your little ones can go and ride till their heart's content, having just a great time. We're gonna have live music all throughout the day with our headliner, The Breakfast Club, not the movie, the band. And that'll be great. We originally had a typo on the flyer, and we said Breakfast at Tiffany's. Don't know where that came from, but that's a good song too. Maybe the Breakfast Club will play it, and so much more, guys. The professional USA cycling races that make up the Sunny King Criterium, those will start at 6 p.m. and they'll run to 9 p.m. And this is a huge deal, guys. You know, you can run in the Sunny King Criterium right here in Anniestown, the model city, the city of Anniston, and you can qualify to ride in the Tour de France. We've had people do that before.
That's cool. I didn't
Isn't that
know
cool,
that.
right? So April 9th, guys, that's the Noble Street Festival. Come down there, find me. I might even have a VIP pass on me if you want one, if you can find me out in the
I think
crowd.
you have to find him. He's gonna be like Waldo.
Oh
You
my
and
gosh,
Carla,
yes.
I think you're gonna be Waldo for Noble Street Festival.
Absolutely.
It's where's Charlotte? Where's
I'm gonna be hiding everywhere, walkie-talkie
Yes.
going off, you know, it's
constantly moving.
totally glistening with sweat from just not sitting down at all, but it's gonna be
It's
great.
gonna be a great day.
It's always
Those
so
kind of
much
days
fun.
are always fun.
They are.
And they're great
They
for the
are.
community.
They fly
Gets
by.
everybody up and going and
Oh,
excited
yeah,
for
absolutely.
Anniston, and you know we'll be there and we're excited to be there, and
That's
we're
what
doing
they
some live
say.
animal presentations.
Yes,
So
I heard.
you'll meet some of our critters.
I heard you got a new critter too. That'll be there.
Yes,
Yeah.
we did. You'll get to meet our new alligator.
Oh, Irwin.
So we have some really great stuff coming up. You definitely got to be there.
Absolutely, guys. Well, hey, thank y'all for tuning in. And again, just a quick reminder, April 9th, Noble Street Festival, that starts at 11 a.m. And then we are going to have the granddaddy of them all in terms of plant sales on April 22nd and April 23rd at the Longleaf Botanical Gardens. So mark your calendars, dot your I's, cross your T's, and make sure you're there because it's going to be one heck of a time. See you guys
We'll see you
later.
then. Thanks, guys.
Woo!